Welcome to the History Department at St Thomas More. The photographs that you can see are the displays from our classroom and also some of our pupils' work from the last 12 months. At St Thomas More we have two specialist history teachers, myself, Mrs McEnroe, the head of history, and also Mr Goodstadt. We teach history 3 times a fortnight. When you come to St Thomas More, we recognise that you may not have actually studied that much history at primary school, so we focus on a couple of key skills. Chronology is the first one. That means knowing in what order things happened. We also learn about how to date an event, so what is the difference between BC and AD, what is a century, what is a decade. As we go through Year 7, you're introduced to other key concepts. We want you to be able to explain why and how things happened, how things have changed over time, and why we think certain events or people are significant. Why are they important in history? And the way we do that is by studying evidence. We look at information from the time to help us understand what people thought about these events that they were living through. Here we have the Year 7 curriculum. So Term 1A, when you come to St Thomas More, we look at those skills that I just mentioned, but we also start studying the Roman Empire. That continues until Christmas, and after Christmas, Term 2A, we begin a topic called Medieval Realms. It's about kingdoms in the Middle Ages, starting with England from 1066. That continues until Easter, and then from the Easter holidays, we look at the Islamic Empire. Our final half term, after the May half-term break, is an introduction to the Tudors and how Henry VIII broke with the Catholic Church in Rome. This final slide shows you an example of the type of work that we will do at St Thomas More. So we will look at a picture or a piece of information from the time, and we will try to figure out what that information is telling us. So first of all, we look at details, what we can see in the source. We highlight them and annotate them. And then we think, what does this mean? What is this detail suggesting to us? We make inferences. Lastly, we add in our own knowledge. What do we know about this already that might explain why the event has been drawn this way or talked about in this way?